Hey guys, this is my GSXR and we are in the garage. Little update for you guys. So I've managed to pick apart a little bit the GSXR. The real wheel is still off because I haven't been in a shop for now, so the metalers are still waiting for me. But I managed to put the fairings off. So I already spray painted this one to kind of like flame red. This one is still about to be prepared for the painting, for spraying. So I have to get rid of some of the old stickers which don't look good. So I don't like them. So it will be going off. There's a rear brake caliper. I managed to put down, or put off the exhaust, which is lying over here. This is the Suzuki GSXR exhaust, and this is stock exhaust for Yamaha because there is a low Vinci Superbike exhaust slip-on, so that's in case for the Austria because they don't like loud bikes. And I've managed to spray painted this front fairing, which is for now like a matte gloss black. So as you remember that idea of the look of GSXR, you will remember that it was actually black with the red stickers and red stripes. So I'm going with the black fairing, and that the bottom part will be spray painted black as well. And guys, let me know if when you see the quick shifter on GSXR, if this kind of free play is okay, because there's a possibility to tighten it up, but I don't know what it's going to do with the sensor itself. So it's kind of like loose, I would say, in this area right here. So just let me know if it is supposed to be like that or not. Otherwise, everything looks fine. I'm thinking about checking the forks, because this one is a little bit greasier than this one. This is looking pretty good. This one, I would say, might need a little bit of work, but we'll see about that. And we'll figure out how to remove the front forks. So otherwise, we are waiting for the stickers. We are waiting for the tires, and we are waiting for me to finish this fairing, to actually put it into the final state, and then put it on the bike, and then the test ride and the first ride, and hopefully the ride on the track will follow. So a little update. I was talking about at the beginning what I'm going to do. So tires still waiting. I have painted actually the tail, so the tape is coming a little bit off, so I have to repair this one, but it's going to be fine. So there's a little bit painting with the white and the red one. I actually put down the forks because they're going to go to the shop, so I've managed to remove the forks from the bike. So now it looks a little bit strange because it doesn't have forks. So Suzuki is a little bit levitating at this point. And we have a visit, guys. Say hi. That's my girlfriend. So yeah, so that's an update. It's a little bit late, so I'm going to pack things up, and I'm gonna see you at the next one. Bye bye.